Hey guys, this is going to be a really quick video on the IsNumber function in Autoit. You can use this function to check if a variable or a value is a number or not. What's unique about this method specifically is it'll return true if your value or variable is a whole number like an integer or a floating point number like a decimal. If you want to make sure your value is a whole number and you don't want to use anything with decimals, then look at my video on the isInt function. Anyways, let's get into it. This is really easy, so all we're going to do is create a variable. We're going to call this var, and we're going to equal this to 10. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do an if statement, if IsNumber, and we're going to say var. Then let's do a tooltip saying it's a number, and if it's not, else tooltip it's not a number, and our program is angry about it too. And if, and like always when using tooltips, we have to make sure we sleep for a little while just so our tooltips have a chance to show. So I'm gonna have the program sleep for a second, and let's see what happens. What did I do wrong? I forgot to put the ending quote. Let's give it a shot. It's a number! Awesome. Let's set this to ABC. It's not a number. Awesome. You can also just put a value in here. Is 10 a number? It's a number. Is ZZZ a number? Nope, not a number. So that's the method. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.